Good morning. Driving out, heading to have my surgery done this morning. It is Friday morning and it is 7:20 and my surgery is scheduled for 9:30. So think about me, say a prayer for me at 9:30. The surgery should last just an hour from what they're saying. So yeah, I'm just really anxious right now and just want to get it over with, be done. Of course, I'm nervous. Yeah, looking ashy and dry. They told me I couldn't wear no lotion, deodorant, body spray, makeup, jewelry, nothing, y'all. I'm up here dry, cracking. We in Arizona, it's hot. I'm skin, the water's hard out here. My body is just cracking and dried out right now. Lips is dry, hands, everything. Looking crazy. Yeah, that with mommy. Mommy's got my back. She taking me to my doctor's, to the hospital to have this done. She gonna be up there with me. Hopefully it won't be for a long period of time. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to film. Maybe I'll get mom to film some for me and bring you guys along with this surgery I'm having. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Guess I'll see y'all when we get there. Found the hospital. Well, it's really not even a hospital. I don't know what it is, like a an outpatient thing. Got my wristband. My mom is looking for a parking space. I hope she finds somewhere to park. But I'm just here waiting for them to call me. Oh gosh, you guys, I can't wait till this surgery is over. Oh, there she is. Mom found a parking space. Thank God. I'm so nervous. I just want this to be over. Mommy made it. She found a parking space. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Get this done. Like 2 champs in a night.
Yep, Mommy had it done last year. So she knows the deal. You hear her? She talking about she don't be acting all emotional. I'm not acting weird and emotional, y'all. I'm actually leaving it with the Lord. I'm proud of myself right now. I'm real proud of it.
I don't.
Really about to go down. I'm about to change into this, take all my clothes off and put them in here. You guys. Still can't believe I'm having surgery, you guys. Pray for me. My IV, guys.
When we get a chance, we'll have to talk. Oh, okay. Hey, Kate.
Got mom here now.
Look at sit back and think about find some good
I
recipe.
can't wait till this is over,
Fat-free
guys.
recipe.
Everybody's been nice in here. Got a really nice nurse helping me and helping me with everything. But I just want to be done already. Can this just be over? I really want to know what's in my stomach. What's that thing? What it is. That's what I want to know. Don't you, Mom?
Yes. I'm sure something very minor.
Yeah, it better be.
The in and out.
Y'all. And then your girl got to work. Oh, I can't wait till this all over. I need to work out so bad. I'm so biggie. I can't believe they be putting me on the scales. I hate the scale. Jesus, help me. God is good, guys. I'm out of surgery. Everything went well. They fixed my hernia. And I'm in a bit of pain. My stomach is super sore. It feels like I did like 1,000 or 2,000 sit-ups, and with some pain involved with it as well. But I'm just so grateful that it's over, you guys. Like, you have no idea. Literally, I was laying in that bed talking to my mom, and I don't know what happened next, but I just fell out, and an hour or more later, I woke up with my surgery already done. So God is good. I just want to thank everybody for their prayers and following me on this surgery journey. And yeah, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm all out of the hospital now. I went in checked in at 7:30. My surgery was scheduled for 9:30, and I left the hospital at 1 o'clock. So yeah, God is good, and I'm heading home to my babies and to go relax myself and start on the road of recovery, guys. And I'm really exhausted because I didn't sleep good last night because I was so anxious and nervous about this surgery that I didn't rest well. So I'm sure I'm going to be getting some good napping in. I look so tired. And I just want to thank my mother for blessing me and helping me get to and from the hospital and sitting up there waiting for me. And all the doctors and nurses in there were so sweet and so kind, and they made this surgery and the experience of being in the hospital so much lighter and better because of their attitudes and their smiling and their talking, and they were just so nice. They were just really nice. It makes a difference when you have nurses and doctors who are just really, they look like they really love what they do. So yeah, so they gave me some Percocets to take for the pain. I took one before I left because my stomach was in pain. And then they also gave me some kind of medicines for me, they gave me a stool. They gave me a stool softener so that I can make sure I don't get constipated, as well as Percocets for the pain. So yeah. By Monday, I should be able to drive my children to school as long as I'm not on those Percocets, because you cannot be driving while you're on that kind of pain medicine, because that is drugs, and strong drugs. And I'm a weakling because I don't take much drugs at all. So, but yeah, just want to check in with you guys and let you guys know that all is well with me. My hernia surgery is done. And I just thank you all for your prayers. God bless you all. And I will just continue to update you and let you know how everything is going during my recovery period. God bless, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.
Are you recording?
I'm recording. Just at home chilling with the family.